I'm Leo. I'm here in the sunny Mallorca to celebrate the 10th anniversary of Alcudia boat rental. Thank you so much for inviting me, Richie.
You're welcome, Leo. It's a pleasure to have you with us, Leo. Thank you so much for coming.
It's my pleasure. I wanted to say that your boats are the most amazing in the world.
Really? But the boats you have in the Wall Street were pretty good also, I think so.
Yes, but your boats are even better, faster, more modern, more sophisticated.
But you haven't even seen them, Leo. Isn't it tomorrow that we go to the boat?
Yes, I wanna go. I wanna go.
Something else to say before we go, Leo?
Yes, of course. Feier, Alcudia Bay, boat rental. Me encante, Mallorca. Let us now pause and share a moment of silence for the poor suckers who haven't reserved yet. Just do it.